Welcome to 314 North Harris in the Valleyview neighborhood of Columbus, Ohio. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has over 2,000 square feet of above-ground living space, in addition to a full basement, and a huge 1.5-story 2-car garage. All the living space has tons of natural light, and the living room has a decorative fireplace. The dishwasher and range hood were replaced in 2023. The family room has French doors leading out to a rear deck and a large concrete patio, which is fenced in between the house and the garage. The first floor half bath is tucked away next to the family room. The second floor has a laundry room in addition to 2 full bathrooms. The home is also close to the newly rebuilt Hilltop branch of the Columbus Public Library and has easy access to the YMCA, Westgate Park, and I-70. The primary bedroom and bathroom both have cathedral ceilings. The dryer was replaced in 2023. The washer and dryer are both included. Only minutes from downtown, 314 North Harris is mere steps from the Camp Chase Trail. The Camp Chase Trail is a 12.5-mile-long multi-use recreational trail, which is part of the Ohio to Erie Trail connecting Cleveland to Cincinnati. A peaceful retreat with convenient access to amenities. Come take a look at 314 North Harris today.